is a 900 megahertz Pentium 3. How are we doing? This is 800 by 600. This has never been used, as far as I know, with a graphics card. And this computer's 2000, so this is about 21 years old, this computer is. So you're seeing it play the first ever game it's ever played with a graphics card. What weapons have I got here? Not many. Oh, he's throwing a bloody grenade at me. No. Oh. He's doing very well. It is a bit flickery. I don't know why it's like that, unless that's something to do with the... So what about Windows 98? Let's do it. Everything's massive. It does all this business, which is annoying. You won't find anything because it's too old. This is fun. There's my desktop, it looks terrible. Right, let's have a look at this again, get rid of that, get rid of that. No, get rid of that. This looks like what it might possibly be online, modern. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? It didn't bloody go nowhere. There's the driver I downloaded off the internet. I had to go into Windows 2000 because the it wouldn't recognise the USB drive on here. This is bloody annoying, that is. So let's see if this works, because nothing else is. The thing's 98, it's all XP in 2000. Well, it might be doing it. Yes, want to restart my computer? That'd be lovely. When you've already bloody installed that thing. Windows 98. Okay. Says it's completed updating files, so that's something. Yes! Yes, it works! Oh, it works! I didn't think that was going to work. It's talking about the monitor. It actually works. It's asking me about the monitor, that's all. It's bloody working. It's giving me stop monitor on that. This is fine. Going up the USB stick, I'm going to plug that in a minute. Got to be excited over that. If you got to get excited over that. Yay, it actually works. I don't believe it. Okay. Now it's not flickering anymore, which is nice. Okay, so turn that off. Oh, that's so much better. That is so much better. How small that was before. It was like. So if I go into, it should be the same difference. If I go into control panel, and then you go to, oh, there's the desktop manager software. Look at this. What is this? It has all kinds of stuff going on here for Windows 98. Yeah, this is very similar to what was on Windows 2000. The focus is very tight. This is a DSLR, so I've got to manually focus this, and then it hasn't got an opposable screen. Wait, Windows Maximize Faster, that would be lovely. Yes, let's do that. There's all kinds of stuff I don't even know what I'm looking at, to be honest. So yeah, calibration screen. You've got I don't think it does that thing where it goes all see-through though, no. You can have multiple desktops as well. Multiple desktops. Change background, yeah, multiple desktops. Tools. Is everything off screen? That'd be nice. Apply all that. Okay, if we go to display, we're on Windows 98. Of course. Got loads of different screen savers. But 1280 by 1024, and we've got 16-bit colour. There it is. Because it can have a TV out, this can have this video out, so it can technically use it as a second monitor. That'd be a bit weird, wouldn't it? Yeah, 32-bit colour, and this monitor goes up to 1600 by 1200, but that'd be insanity. I don't really know where it is. Windows XP and Windows 2000. Closer than that. 64 megabytes, AGP4. That's my processor. Right, let's do another game. Let's do something that shows the power of the machine, which is Motocross Madness 2. It's quite a reasonably good game. It tells you where you can go, so I can beat these mobbers. Come on. Bloody weaving, aren't they? I've gone the wrong way. You have to go for these gates. They were flying, but when they come off, they bloody don't crash. Cheeky gits. Okay, they're going right now. Why in first place? I can't tell. There it is. Oh no! Damn it! Come on! Proper cheating. What a cheating! The computer's cheating now. Proper cheating. What a little cheater. Doesn't like losing, does it? Cheater. And they recover really quickly, don't they? Like they fall off, but they instantly get back on. Proper cheating. I was bloody leading that. Now, of course, I crashed, don't I? Rubbish. Where the bloody hell am I going? Can't tell where I'm bloody at. At the back. Oh, 4-7, okay. Proper cheaters. About crash, right? Of course I crashed, don't I? Because the computer's cheating on me. How am I supposed to catch them up now? Right, I'm going to redo that. Restart race. Bugger off by that. Oh, look, it puts me so far behind. Again put at the back for? I don't get this. I've got to beat them. I'll have to beat them. I'll have to beat the Pentium 3. I have to. I'm losing. The other way. One of them came off. Two of them came off. Can I get the lead? Yeah, have I got the lead? Can't see it on the camera. I'm first. Oh, I've gone past it. No, you stupid git. Oh, you moron. Oh, I was bloody. I was winning that. I was proper winning that. A load of rubbish. Oh. Not ram them off the bloody road. Oh, what a load of rubbish. No, I'm not accepting that. I'm sorry. I was winning that. I'll restart that again. Why does he put me at the back? Come on. Load of all. Who come up with this one? Bloody cheating bloody computer. Cheater. Am I in front? Am I in front? Do I get a prize if I win anything? Windows 98 PC probably. Oh, you come off. The problem is if you go too fast over a ridge, you go too high, you can only crash. That's the oh, you stupid git, get up. Come on, it's proper cheating. Oh, that is cheating. Oh, come on. I was winning that. What? Where is it? Where's the gate? There it is. I won that one, I think. Yeah, I'm winning. I'm beating a computer now after. Annoyed. Oh no! That's right. Where the bloody am I? Yeah, that's how you lose a race. Hell am I? Oh, they're beating me again. What? Yeah, that's I won that. I won it. Okay, that's probably for that because I'm not going to get you on this. But yeah, that's the. You don't have to race. You just do what you want, really. To be honest.